Hello YouTube, how's it going? Well, competition starts tonight with one of my choirs, and the other choirs all go tomorrow, so that should be fun. I'm heading home to eat as usual, which I shouldn't have to say anymore. So really quickly, I want to talk to y'all about it's been kind of funny. Since we live in this digital age, everybody has a cell phone and everything. There have been so many times where students have pulled their phones out just to check the time, and we tell them, like, there's a clock right there on the wall. I don't know how to read that. It's like, what? And these are 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. 6th graders, I guess it could be a little bit slower trying to read it, but 7th and 8th, like, come on, guys. I think it's kind of sad that parents aren't making their kids learn how to read an analog clock and not just digital. Because, I mean, you know, you won't always have that. Now, I remember I was real big on digital watches when I was younger, and my parents, they actually noticed that I wasn't able to read the analog, so they took away my digital watch. They gave me, I remember, I think it was Mickey Mouse, or no, it wasn't Mickey Mouse, it was just I did have a Mickey Mouse watch, yeah, when I was a little kid. And they taught me how to read it from there. And until I showed that I could read an analog clock, I was not allowed to have a digital clock. And it's just, nowadays, most people don't even wear watches as it is. So, and if they do, most of the time they're digital, and they have like the smart watches and the Fitbits and everything like that now. So, well, if you got a watch, most of the time it has a touch screen and apps on it. So, yes, most watches and clocks and stuff now are like that, but I think it's important for kids to still understand how to do how to read time from an analog watch as well, or analog clocks, because you will not always have a digital clock that automatically syncs up with everything. And, you know, you'll have to read time and know how to tell time from that as well. I know that's something that they teach in math in elementary school, but I don't know. When it comes to it, yeah, you'll learn it for a test and everything, but I think it's really important that parents take the time and make sure their kids understand how to do these kind of things, little basic skills. Same thing goes for kids managing money and etiquette, and as well as making sure that kids know proper attire for proper certain events. Because, you know, having this competition tomorrow, we're telling everybody to make sure you don't wear any tennis shoes and all that kind of stuff when you're wearing, because they have to wear like a tuxedo shirt, a cummerbund, a bow tie, black dress pants, and black shoes. And a lot of them like, I don't have any dress shoes. Like, what? And then at the same time, you know, I used to be able to say, dress like you're going to church, but now, I mean, church is a very casual place in a lot of places, and a lot of people don't dress up for church. So kids not having a pair of black shoes, I guess it kind of makes sense. But I even had an incident at one of the concerts where the kid, he had on all the right stuff, and then he had on some rainbow socks, tuxedo shirt, cummerbund, black slacks, black shoes, rainbow colored socks. And when he got points taken off for, you know, not being in the proper attire, there was not a falling out, but parents weren't happy about it and wondering why. And they were saying that, well, it's not in the handbook that you have to wear black socks. I'm like, isn't that normal? Wouldn't I would, what? I know if I ever walked out of my house, like going to church or something, and I had on tux type stuff, and then I wore some rainbow socks, my mom would get on my case. It's just, a lot of the kids lack formality now, and it's really important that they learn this, and well, they learn it at home. And teaching choir, it's, you know, of course we have to teach that as well, formality and etiquette and things of that nature. But once again, it starts at home. Well, I need to get home and eat. I had to call a parent, so I'm not gonna have as much time as usual. But I got food at home to eat, so that's what I'm gonna do. Anyways, what are your thoughts on the subject? And please don't forget, leave any questions down below. I will take them from this. I'll take it from this video as well as yesterday's video, because I want to do a Q&A video for you guys. And honestly, in any video, you can start asking questions, because I want to do Q&As and just take suggestions from people and make more videos from what you guys want to see. So if you start doing that for me, leaving me some comments, we'll get a discussion going. And, you know, even if it's not dealing with the topic at hand, if you want to see something or want to know my opinion on something, I'm going to start writing it down and have a little binder of things that I can make videos about. Anyways, that's it. Summer can't get here soon enough. About a month and 2 weeks left. So ready. Peace, guys.